Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be talking to you on how to create a MetaMask wallet for the purpose of swapping Ethereum out for the alt tokens that I talk about in CryptoTunities. You will see a number of alt cryptos in our model portfolio, and you might be wondering, well, I can't buy those alts on the exchange that I have an account on. For instance, I'm on Gemini or Kraken or Coinbase, and the alt crypto you're speaking about does not exist on those exchanges. So what do I do about it? I'm about to show you something that a lot of folks may not know about Metamask. And Metamask is not only a wallet to store your cryptos in, predominantly the ERC20 standard. In other words, that's Ethereum, and any of the Ethereum-based tokens, which is called, it's a standard called ERC20, ERC20, meaning that those cryptos have been built on the Ethereum network. So now within the wallet itself, MetaMask, they've added an aggregator swap function, very similar to what Uniswap will offer for you, or 1inch as a decentralized exchange. And what these folks do is they go out to these exchanges and look for the best deal on those decentralized exchanges for you. So you will notice I'm using a browser called Brave. That's Brave browser, and it is a Chrome-based browser built on Chrome standard, as is Mozilla Firefox and of course Chrome itself. And the reason I use this is because we'll be adding an extension. The MetaMask wallet functions as an extension, so you will need to do that first, and that is add the MetaMask wallet as an extension. I'll show you how to do that. So let's, without further ado, get into how to add. But before I do that, I'd like to show you, for browsing on this browser called Brave, you get Brave rewards, which happens to be crypto, a crypto called BAT, B-A-T. You'll see that on major exchanges. So you're actually earning yourself crypto by just enabling this ads section over here. And it's not too annoying. I must say you do that in most browsers anyway, but you don't get paid for it. So that's a great way to earn yourself some crypto doing what you normally do anyway, using an internet browser. So let's go now to your menu section on your browser, and you're going to look for extensions, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, or Brave. It is the same thing, and you're going to add an extension. You just go to the web store. As you can see, it takes you to the Chrome web store, and it is a Chrome add-in. So we are going to be looking for MetaMask. Let's just find that. Here we go. You just simply click on that, and you just click Add to Brave, Add Extension, or Add to Chrome, depends on the browser you're using. It goes away and it does a check, and then it'll launch another page now, which is the actual setup page for MetaMask. So if you click Getting Started, you will get two choices. The first choice assumes that you've already got a MetaMask wallet, set it up in the past, and you may want to restore that same wallet and the funds that are in that wallet to your browser. We obviously setting up for the very first time, so we are going to say create wallet, and then just agree to the terms and conditions. Click terms and conditions and add a secured password that you will remember. Do store your passwords in a secure, safe environment, either an actual physical safe and on a piece of paper in a safe, or in a digital safe. So I'm now going to create that account. Now this wallet has been created, and it's telling me that if I click on the lock over here, I will see my 12-word seed phrase or backup phrase. That is extremely important. So do click on this lock over here, and you will be able to restore this wallet if you need to for any reason. It is the seed phrase that covers your private key. So if you lose it, you're going to lose all your crypto that's in this wallet. So don't do that. Again, store this please safely. Right now, I'm not going to click on it. I'll just click remind me later. But you click on it and you back up that 12-word seed phrase, and then you click on next, and it will take you to basically your newly created wallet interface, which looks like this. Well, one thing I want to show you is this is you've basically started you out with an Ethereum account or wallet. So you can move Ethereum to this Metamask wallet in order to facilitate the swap into other alternative cryptocurrencies. And the way you do that is you click on this account over here. As you can see, it says copy to clipboard, which basically is copying the wallet address for this Ethereum account in your Metamask wallet. So you can send funds to this wallet by pasting. You can see what the address to this wallet is. Do make sure that if you do a copy paste, obviously you copy all the digits in and not skip a few out by mistake, because then you will not get your funds. So you would just copy this address, paste it in on your exchange where you had Ethereum, and send your Ethereum funds that you require into the wallet to continue trading and buying and investing in alt cryptos. What we're going to do over here, as you can see, we only have one wallet, and for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be wanting to swap out Ethereum for something called linear finance. The token is called Lena, and the way we do that is you can go to a website called coinmarketcap.com, and you will see listed all the cryptos out there. So basically what we want to do is we want to find this particular one called Lena or linear finance. This is the one over here, linear. And as you can see, it has a field called contracts. You can see the MetaMask little wallet icon, and all you do is you click copy address, and by copying address, what you're doing is you are copying linear finance's contract address, in other words its wallet address, for the purposes of adding to your wallet that you've just created here, your MetaMask. You can put your add token, click there, custom token. Now you can either search for a token, so we can search for Lena, and you can see in what's come back here, Lena is not available, and that is why we're going to create a custom token. You put the token contract address, which you've just copied off CoinMarketCap, over there, and as you can see, it has picked up that belongs to Lena. And what it will do is it will now create a Lena wallet for you. So if you go back, you can see that you now have not only Ethereum, but you have Lena. And the reason you want Lena is because you're going to swap some Ethereum, and once you swapped it out, you want to be able to store your Lena in a wallet, and that will be this one over here. So let's go to swap. Now for instance, say we've got the funds in the wallet for 1 Ethereum and we want to swap it to Lena. You should be able to see your Lena over here, or do a search for it. Let's just see. Can we find Lena? Lena, there we go. So there's your Lena. Now you want to review the swap, so you're swapping 1 Ethereum for Lena. You want to see, well, how many Lena am I going to get? So review the swap. And now it's going to go out and it's going to the MetaMask wallet. It's searching a whole bunch of places for you for a decent rate. And it's come back and said, right, for 1 Ethereum, you can get 12,233.153 Lena. And that will cost you a fee of $85. We don't really like that. We can go to maximum network fee. We can drop it by clicking average instead of fast. And we can go to advanced and we can drop the GUI course, it's telling me that I have insufficient funds because I have not funded this particular MetaMask wallet yet. But you can drop this gas limit to a lower level that it allows you to. It will tell you what's too low. So you can just play with these numbers and try and do your swap a few times. Remember, you haven't done the swap until you accept it and click the swap button. So over here, I've got 4 quotes, as it says, and the quotes came and it tells you where the quote source was. So at this moment, it's finding AGG and DEX. It could find your best option or opportunity on Uniswap or anywhere else for that matter. But right now, that's where it's finding the lowest fees, and they're quite high. But Ethereum will be changing the fee model in July. By bringing in that change, hopefully that drops the fees for us. So basically, you have now seen in this tutorial how to create a MetaMask wallet and also how to swap out your Ethereum for any of the ERC20 based standard tokens, i.e. those are any alternative crypto, i.e. cryptos that are not Bitcoin, that are built on the Ethereum network. You can just simply swap them out. And hopefully that clarifies for you how to swap out your Ethereum for alternative cryptos based on the ERC20 standard. Thank you. Have a great day. If you have any questions, do look me up in the Cryptotunities room and I will do my best to answer your questions. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.